Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, fired the starting gun on the final, most critical phase of its unique device identification implementation. A hard deadline has been set for March 2026, mandating full UDI compliance for all Class 2A, 2B, and 3 medical devices entering the kingdom. This is far more than a simple labeling update. It is a fundamental shift in how devices are tracked and managed within Saudi Arabia. The core requirement is that every device must have a UDI barcode on its label and packaging, and its corresponding data must be registered in the SFDA's official database known as SaudiDI. This is where many international manufacturers will face challenges. The data formatting and submission requirements for SaudiDI are unique. They are not a direct copy of the FDA's UDI in the United States or Europe's EUDAMED. For example, specific device attributes and manufacturing data points are required in a format that differs from other major regulators. Assuming you can simply copy your existing data will lead to swift rejections and costly delays. Let's consider a real-world scenario we have seen. A German diagnostics company, a leader in its field, prepared for the UDI mandate by applying GS1 barcodes to all its products. They believed they were compliant. However, their regulatory team failed to pre-register the UDI data in the SaudiDI database before the products were shipped. Their shipment, worth over $2 million, was detained at Jeddah port for non-compliance. They faced a choice. Either pay for expensive return shipping and relabeling, or risk losing the products entirely. This case underscores a critical point. UDI compliance is an integrated process that links manufacturing, logistics, and regulatory affairs. It is not a task for a single department to handle in isolation. Furthermore, local distributors are becoming increasingly cautious. They will reject shipments from manufacturers who cannot provide a certificate of UDI registration in SaudiDI. The financial and reputational risk is simply too high for them to bear. The SFDA's deadline is firm, and the consequences of non-compliance are severe, effectively closing off market access. For companies navigating these complex requirements, specialized guidance is essential. People can email or visit Pure Global.